Happy Saturday po, magandang umaga po, maayong buntag worldwide sa ating mga Pinoy worldwide. Today is our lesson 3, which is a requirement of the housing loan, pag-ibig housing loan processing, and we call this the medical questionnaire or the health statement form. So, questions po dito are following. Why is there a health statement form required? Bakit po kailangan ito? Kapag nagbaborrow po tayo ng pag-ibig housing. Number 2 is how to fill this up? How to fill up the medical form? Kailangan po ba dito may doktor po na magsicertify? Okay? Number 3, what if may sakit ka at kasama po dito sa certification na to ng sakit na to? Are you still qualified for a pag-ibig housing loan? Nako, maganda pong tanong yan. And question number 4. Since this will be certified, magka-qualify pa rin ba kaya tayo? Okay, so, let's go to the answers po. I do suggest kumuha po ng ballpen at isulat po ito on paper. You can write it down the lecture. Or meron naman po tayong captions na naka-on. So, pwede nyo po itong isulat and then review it. Okay? At least, alam ninyo itong mga to. Alright. So, what is this health statement form? Ito po ay isa sa mga requirement kapag naglo-loan tayo ng pag-ibig housing. Requirement po ito sa mga borrowers, yung humihiram. Siyempre, requirement, kailangan meron kang health statement form. Paano na lang kung something happens to you while nagbabayad ka ng pag-ibig housing loan? Diba? Kaya, kawawa naman po ang pag-ibig housing. Kasi, ang pag-ibig office, kasi binigyan na kayo ng amount, tapos hindi nyo pa kayo cannot be able to pay na. So, delikado ma-foreclose ang property. So, kailangan po ang medical questionnaire talaga kasi po, kailangan po ito sa ating health insurance. Okay? Kailangan po insured kayo panatag or ang pag-ibig office po ay may peace of mind na mababayaran nito the whole period of the payable terms. Okay po? So, who are the borrowers na kailangan po ng health statement form? Hindi po lahat ha. Kailangan lang po ito ng mga borrowers kapag, number 1, you're 60 years old and above. Remember po, hanggang 65 po, pwedeng mag-loan. Di po ba? Number 2, even if you're not yet 60, you're below 60, but the loan is more than 2 million peso, kailangan po ang health statement form. Certified po ito ng medical doctor natin. So you will see dito po sa ating picture or image na makikita ninyo sa ating video na to is certified po ito, of course, for privacy purposes, naka-blacken po sila. Okay? Kailangan po, certified po ito nung doktor, ng family doctor nyo, especially po pag overseas kayo. So, yun pong family doctor nyo talaga magsa-certify dito. Alam nyo naman, if you're working overseas, worldwide, mahirap pong kumuha ng certification. Hindi po ito sila basta-basta magbibigay ang mga medical doctors natin. Kasi po, nakasalala yung kanyang lisensya dyan. Okay? So, let's say, among those, so the second question is, the first question is already answered, na para po lang po ito sa mga borrowers na 60 years old and above or 60 years old below, pero more than 2 million ang housing loan. Okay? Next question. Paano na po ito, how to fill up the medical form? Okay, isa-isahin na po natin dito. Kasi paano kung may sakit ka? Like, ito, we look at the picture, yung image natin, may diabetes yung borrower natin. Okay? Pero, tell you, nakapasa po siya. Allowed po siya sa diabetes. Huwag lamang po itong ating mga no dito. Okay. Ay itong mga questions dito pero may yes ito. Like for example, what if you're pregnant? Okay lang po 'yon. Qualified po tayo doon. What if you have disease pertaining to nervous system, lungs, AIDS, cancer? Ay definitely po, pag yan po ay chinek ng ating doktor, ay yes, down na po agad tayo. Tayo po ay disqualified na. Hindi po ba? So, kailangan po yung mga yan ay merong certification ng doktor, especially if if the borrower or over 60. Okay po. So, partially, ay nasagot po natin yun ng ating mga questions po dito. Why? What is it? Why is it? How to fill up? And a medical doctor is needed. So, hanggang dito lang po muna tayo. And for any assistance, and if you think we can be of help to you, just email us in canada.legal@yahoo.ca. Maraming salamat po.